Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and release it fully. Again, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Let your body become heavier. Let your shoulders relax. Let your jaw loosen. Let your mind soften. Let your thoughts slow down. Let everything unnecessary fade away. Because right now, you are stepping into a deeper state of identity transformation, a deeper state of subconscious reprogramming, a deeper state of financial alignment. I am a millionaire. 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 Not because of pressure, not because of struggle, not because of force, not because of effort, but because of identity, because of alignment, because of becoming, because of inner shift, because of subconscious change. And in this moment, something powerful is happening within you. Something quiet, something deep, something invisible, something permanent. You are becoming a new version of yourself, a calmer version, a stronger version, a more confident version, a more abundant version, a more successful version, a millionaire version, a wealthy identity version. My mind is aligning with wealth. My thoughts are aligning with abundance. My beliefs are aligning with prosperity. My expectations are aligning with success. My identity is aligning with financial freedom. My subconscious is aligning with expansion. Every breath I take deepens this transformation. Every moment of stillness strengthens this transformation. Every second of relaxation reinforces this transformation. Every heartbeat supports this transformation. Every thought of calmness stabilizes this transformation. Every moment of surrender deepens this transformation. I am no longer attached to limitation. I am no longer attached to scarcity. I am no longer attached to lack. I am no longer attached to struggle. I am no longer attached to doubt. I am no longer attached to fear. Those old patterns are dissolving now. Those old beliefs are weakening now. Those old thoughts are fading now. Those old limitations are disappearing now. Those old identities are releasing now. And in their place, A new identity is forming, a stronger identity, a wealth-based identity, a success-based identity, a confidence-based identity, a millionaire identity, a powerful identity. I am safe with money. I am safe with wealth. I am safe with success. I am safe with abundance. I am safe with growth. I am safe with receiving more. I am safe with expansion. Because money is not danger. Wealth is not danger. Success is not danger. Abundance is not danger. Growth is not danger. Receiving is not danger. And because I am safe, I relax deeper. I open more. I allow more. I receive more. I expand more. Money flows to me in peaceful ways. Money flows to me in aligned ways. Money flows to me in consistent ways. Money flows to me in expanding ways. Money flows to me in effortless ways. Money flows to me in natural ways. Money flows to me in intelligent ways. Money flows to me in surprising ways. Opportunities recognize me. Prosperity recognizes me. Abundance recognizes me. Success recognizes me. Wealth recognizes me. Growth recognizes me. And I recognize them in return. I see them clearly. I accept them fully. I allow them easily. I receive them naturally. I no longer need to chase wealth. I no longer need to struggle for success. I no longer need to force outcomes. I no longer need to prove my worth. I no longer need to fight for abundance. Instead, I align. I allow. I receive. I expand. I become. Take a slow breath. Let that go deeper. Let that settle into your subconscious mind. My subconscious mind is becoming a millionaire mind. My subconscious patterns are becoming wealth patterns. My subconscious beliefs are becoming abundance beliefs. My subconscious identity is becoming success aligned. My subconscious reality is becoming expansion aligned. And this transformation is happening naturally, effortlessly, quietly, continuously, automatically, even while I rest. My mind is shifting. Even while I sleep, my identity is changing. Even while I am still, my future is unfolding. Even while I am unaware, my life is upgrading. I am becoming someone who expects abundance. I am becoming someone who expects success. I am becoming someone who expects expansion. I am becoming someone who expects financial growth. I am becoming someone who expects wealth. And expectation shapes everything. Expectation shapes awareness. Expectation shapes decisions. Expectation shapes habits. Expectation shapes outcomes. Expectation shapes reality. I am a millionaire. 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 And this truth is becoming more real, more natural, more automatic, more permanent. With every breath I take and every moment I drift deeper into sleep, and every layer of consciousness that relaxes until only abundance remains. Prosperity is no longer something external I chase. It is something internal I align with. It is something energetic I embody. It is something mental I accept. It is something emotional I normalize. It is something subconscious I become. I allow myself to rise without resistance. I allow myself to grow without resistance. I allow myself to expand without resistance. I allow myself to receive without resistance. I allow myself to succeed without resistance. I allow myself to become without resistance. My subconscious mind is restructuring itself for abundance. My subconscious mind is restructuring itself for prosperity. My subconscious mind is restructuring itself for financial success. My subconscious mind is restructuring itself for wealth identity. My subconscious mind is restructuring itself for expansion reality. My subconscious mind is restructuring itself for millionaire consciousness. Every repetition strengthens my millionaire identity. Every affirmation strengthens my millionaire identity. Every breath strengthens my millionaire identity. Every moment of calm strengthens my millionaire identity. Every second of stillness strengthens my millionaire identity. Every layer of relaxation strengthens my millionaire identity. I no longer reject success. I no longer reject money. I no longer reject abundance. I no longer reject growth. I no longer reject opportunity. I no longer reject expansion. Instead, I welcome it. I accept it. I allow it. I integrate it. I embody it. I live it. Take a slow breath and let that sink deeper. My inner inner world is becoming wealthy. My inner world is becoming abundant. My inner world is becoming prosperous. My inner world is becoming expansive. My inner world is becoming aligned with success. My inner world is becoming aligned with financial freedom. And because my inner world is changing, my outer world is beginning to respond quietly, gradually, consistently, naturally, effortlessly. I am aligning with opportunities that grow my wealth. I am aligning with ideas that grow my wealth. I am aligning with people that grow my wealth. I am aligning with environments that grow my wealth. Now just allow yourself to drift. No need to focus. No need to repeat anything. No need to hold on. Just letting go. Let your breathing become softer now, slower, deeper, more natural. And as you rest here, something within you continues working quietly, without effort, without noise, without pressure. The ideas you heard, the words you accepted, the identity you stepped into, they are not leaving you now. They are settling deeper, layer by layer, into your subconscious mind. And even as you stop trying, your mind continues aligning. Your thoughts continue adjusting. Your beliefs continue reorganizing. Your identity continues shifting. Because change does not only happen when you are aware, it also happens when you are still, when you are quiet, when you are at rest. And right now, you are in that state of quiet transformation. So let everything slow down even more. Let your thoughts fade into the background. Let your awareness soften. Let your body become heavier. There is nothing you need to chase, nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to force. Everything is already unfolding in its own time, in its own way. Naturally, quietly, perfectly. And as you drift deeper, your subconscious mind continues absorbing new patterns, new expectations, new levels of calm confidence, new alignment with abundance. And it becomes easier now to think differently, to expect differently, to see yourself differently without even trying. Because repetition has already begun its work, and your inner world is responding slowly, steadily, consistently. You are not becoming someone new in a rush. You are becoming someone new gradually, naturally, permanently. And that version of you, the calmer version, the more aligned version, the more confident version, the more abundant version, is already forming within you. So just rest now, deeper, softer, lighter. Let sleep take over. Let awareness fade. Let everything slow down completely. And even in silence, your mind continues building. Your identity continues strengthening. Your future continues aligning until everything within you quietly begins to match the life you are growing into. Peaceful, stable, expanding, abundant, and you do not need to hold it. You only need to allow it. So rest now and let this transformation continue while you sleep.